Hey guys, it's Becca Brown. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a DIY project. Okay, so some of the supplies that I'm going to be using is some paint, just some black and white, some yarn, leftover yarn from my DIY bed frame tassel thing. I have a clipboard. I couldn't think of the name. I have a clipboard. I have some painter's tape, some paper, just some small paper, and a pen. I think that's all I will need for now. I might put some like fake plants and some other stuff on there, but none of the stores are open currently, so I will figure it out. I just wanted to show you guys what I looked on Pinterest for ideas, and I just came up with the letter B because of like my name and stuff, but then I also wrote down my goals. So some of my goals were to become a CEO. That's a big dream, but another one was to save money, buy a house, just become more eco-friendly, and everything like that. So I got this grid from IKEA. It came with these clips already, and then I got these clothespins from Joann's, and then I already had this air plant, which I just got from a grocery store, like Kroger. And I thought that was a cute idea to put on there because I love plants.